your direction, yeah, I'll be your protector. You know I'd rather fight for you. I'll fight for you. I'll fight for you.
Hi, alright guys, so that's the intro, slaying as per usual, according to Amrezy and Classic Couture anyway, as per usual. So now I'm just drawing on my brows, then I'm cleaning them up as I would usually do with my my concealer, and this is in Toast from Black Opal, and the brow pencil I'm using is Coffee Bean by Black Opal. Oh, I'd used 2 Black Opal stuff for my eyes, I didn't realize. Coffee Bean by Black Opal as well, and that's their mechanic pencil. And right here, still using Toast, but right here I'm using my Shades by Gal Medium Neutral Concealer, and as would normally, I normally put my concealer on my brow bone, and that's exactly what I did. Blended it out with a brush, and that's what you're looking at right now. So on my face, I'm putting on my Becca Matte Poreless Primer, I believe, or Poreless Matte Primer. It's their matte one that they have. That's all of my face. Then I'm going in with my Bronze 6 foundation from Mary Kay. These two together, my face was matte. Plus, I didn't show this in the video, but as my finishing powder, I used my NYX HD finishing powder, and let me tell you, like that Becca and that HD powder, you'll be matte for days. Alright, if you have oily skin, those two are really good combination. So I'm just blending out using a fluffy brush, and these are still available at Fontana Pharmacy, both online and in stores. I'm using right here Fawn to do my highlight because I'm all out of Toast, and I'm blending out with our sculpting brush. I think it's called Contouring in Paradise, or sculpting brush from our Poem in Paradise collection. I find this really gets into the contours of my face whenever I'm trying to do my contouring, and it's just absolutely phenomenal. So here I'm putting the Fawn on my forehead again, and again I'll be blending out just normally where I would highlight, but I figure I would show you guys since my channel is now growing and you may just be watching this video for the very first time. So this is what I do for my contouring or for my highlighting. And if you're new, hey, what's up? Don't be shy, boo. Say, hey, what's up? Let me know you new, boo. Let me know you are new. So for my highlight, I'll be taking Classic Espresso, and it's by Black Opal. And this Classic Espresso and this Fawn fuses well together. When I was editing this clip, I was like, do I have anything on? I mean, that Becca matte, man, that primer is life. For my all over face, I'll be taking Classic Espresso is what I'm taking now all over my face. Cappuccino is what I just used to set my Fawn, to set my highlight. So I'm taking Classic Espresso, and Classic Espresso is by Black Opal, and I'm putting it everywhere that I did not put my cappuccino. That's it. Now I'm taking my Juvia's Place Masquerade Palette, and I'm taking that color there, and that's going to be going in my crease. From here on, it is pretty self-explanatory, but I'm going in my crease. And notice how I'm leaving the brow bone area void of color, but I'm taking it on the right, so right under my brow, at the top, or like the beginning of my brow. I put eyeshadow up there. Oof, that top off though, honey. Why are you going so hard, boo? So I'm using that color from the Too Faced Power of Makeup palette, and that's the color that I use for my brow bone, and I'm a woman of color, but that works for me, boo. No, there's no product on this brush. I didn't add anything else. I'm just blending these two together. This is my MAC 224, and it's the same brush I used to apply the color, the only color I have on my lid, my crease. And I'm just taking what's on the brush to just blend those two together. Then I'm taking that purple color as well from the Power of Makeup palette, and that will be my lid color. I wanted to do a full purple look today, and I didn't want to just have I wanted to use up that palette basically. So then I'm going in with the Masquerade palette again, and I'm taking that pinky purpley color, and I'm putting that on the outside. And remember that I already lay a color on in the crease already, so this is me mixing these colors pretty nicely, and I'm actually liking the blend that it's giving me. I'm taking my MAC 217 brush, the MAC 224 and 217. You need it in your life. They are bae. Going with the Nubian 2 palette. This is the second palette that Juvia's Place came out with. It's the yellow one, and I'm taking that color and I'm putting it in between everything. And again with the Juvia's Place Nubian 2 palette, I'm taking a more pointed fluffy brush, and I'm taking, now that color has, it's not shimmery, but it is like iridescent. So I'm taking that color a little bitterly. Then I didn't like what was happening, so I went in with the palette from Power of Makeup palette, and I used that black, and I'm just going in my crease. Now it's not an overwhelming black, you know, but it's high and it got the job done. you know, without overpowering the look, because I didn't want this look to be completely dark. I wanted the colors to really shine through. So now I'm still applying, just blending out. And this brush that I'll be using, it just has the product on it from before. I didn't add anything, but I wanted to insert this clip to show you guys that all I'm doing is blending, and it works nicely if the brush that you were using before for your eyeshadow, if you take it to blend, if you did not use a dark color to blend. If you use a dark color to blend, then everything is going to come up back dark anyway. Going in with the Masquerade palette, I'm taking that pink and a clean fluffy brush, and that's going in that area of my eye where I normally put color. I need to Google what that area of the eye is called, because I'm pretty sure it has a name. Lid? My inner part of my lid? I don't know. Then I'm going to with this color again. I think it's called Ivy. And I'm going to on my crease, because after applying so much color up there, I kind of lost some of the color. Somebody requested for me to do a look on how I blend my like brown color. It's kind of weird. I don't know how to do that video. So if you're that person, please explain. So this is my LA Pro primer in white, and I'm taking that color, and this palette that I'm using is the Masquerade palette. It's the biggest palette that they have now, the pink one, the big pink one, and I'm taking that color there. Then I'm taking this green as well, this blue, sorry, as well, and I'm putting it right beside the green that I laid before. I think that the blue I'm putting down is called Dahlia, and this color here, this purple, is called Makeda, and the color I laid before is called Zola, I believe. So I'm putting those three colors on my lower lash line because I wanted some color down there, because it's all like purple and I wanted a little bit of difference down there. And I'm taking gold, and this gold is called Casablanca, I believe, can't remember. Then I'm taking my LA Pro primer in black, and this will actually be my eyeliner. Whoa, whoa. So this is my MAC Creme de Nude lipstick. The lashes I'm wearing are Fashionista lashes from my line Pome by Lyric. And to line my lips, I'll be taking dark brown from LA Girl. And as my glow, I'll also be taking the Power of Makeup palette, and I'll be mixing the glow that's in that palette as well as my MAC Double Definition Skin Finish. I've had that MAC Double Definition Skin Finish for years. It has never done me wrong, but these two glows combined, life, they photograph so flipping well. It is redonkulous. So well, and I used both glows in that palette, in the MAC one. So this is my blush. This is the eyeshadow from the Nubian 2 palette, and it's orange, and I'm using eyeshadow as blush for the past couple of days or months. This is the look. Yes, honey, I'm living. Thank you so much, you guys, for watching. Please go ahead and give me a thumbs up, as it really supports my channel. Thank you for your support, and I'll talk to you in the next video.
I'll fight for you. I'll fight for you. I'll fight for you. You know I'm fighting cause I refuse to lose you. Fighting cause I refuse to lose